registered runners. And counting, so you'll enjoy the fun. This is the happiest fun run in the planet. The first in the Philippines na magkakaroon ng color run dance, and we are making history in the Philippines. Good morning, everyone.
When you join the color run, hindi lang kayo basta magiging physically fit, pero ibibigay din natin syempre ang ating contribution para sa isang progressive and unified Sorsogon City.
Happy Pili Festival 2014 sa atin lahat. And sinasabi natin, I always tell that ang acronym na natin ngayon sa pagpapadalagan ng siyudad ng Sorsogon ay SINAG. Ang ibig ho sabihin, Sorsoganon, ikaw na ang gumawa. Good morning and happy running.
In behalf of our Provincial Director, Police Senior Superintendent Bernard Banak, we now formally launch the Police Kasanggayahan in Sorsogon. Thank you and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Bilang malakas at onestong suporta sa programa ng ating alkalde sa Character City program ng siyudad, ngayon sinasabi namin sa lahat na nandito ngayon na kami ang tunay na babago sa mukha at moralidad ng mga media na kasama namin sa industriya. Hindi na po ako magsasalita ng ano paman. Tingnan na lang natin kung paano magkaroon ng mas matalos na media dito sa Sorsogon. Salamat!
Happy Pili Festival! Congratulations kayo sa Edgar Balasa and company sa pag-organize ng Color Run with the Beat niya na 2014 Pili Festival. There is a saying that life is a canvas. We should paint it with lots of colorful days. And this is one of those colorful days. More fun, lots of color. The 2014 Pili Festival Color Run. Let's make history once again. The first ever Color Run with a Beat in the Philippines. It's so fun, it's so new, it's so Sorsogon. Mas mayroon lang para banta ang Sorsogon.
If we get lucky, then we might get lazy, so we best get busy so we don't go crazy, baby. Put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love, put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love outside, put a little bit of love outside. If we get lucky, then we might get lazy, so we better